Yeah, so today I did a run and it was a 8 kilometer run. What's interesting is that when you go for a run, a road walk, the first few minutes take a toll on your body. It's very hard. You feel your body is heavy, you're panting, and it's like you lack the rhythm. You're not yet in the zone. But as you continue running, finally your body picks up, your body gets the frequency. And before you know it, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, and boom, you've hit the target. Isn't it amazing that that's how most things are? Most things that we embark on to do, at first, they lack acceleration, they are kind of dragging, there's that demotivation, you don't feel the energy on set, but with persistency, with that grit, you continue moving, you begin to improve, you begin to learn, you begin to iterate, and before you know it, the goal has gained motion, it has gained acceleration. So it's very interesting and fascinating that that's how things are. Nothing will be easy at the very start. You have to keep it locked. You have to keep in there. You have to think about the bigger picture, the end goal during that time when it's like you're not gaining acceleration, you're not gaining mileage. That's a random thought from my run today. See you in my next audio.